So what is UGC? UGC is user-generated content.
That means any form of content created by individuals and not brands that's published to digital channels.
There's two types of user-generated content. So the most popular form of user-generated content is influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is when you're using a content creator's following to leverage your product in front of their audience. Another type of user-generated content is when you hire a content creator, but instead of them posting on their account in front of their audience, you're using their content to post in front of your audience. So the benefits of this user-generated content are lower costs because you're not paying to market in front of their audience, organic content because everyone knows that influencers are paid to say positive things about the brand, but with UGC, there's no filter. And the third one is building trust. Customers usually have a higher trust in UGC rather than influencer marketing. An example of UGC marketing is the Sneakers app by Nike. In the community section of the Sneakers app, they actually have a feed that's all UGC. These photos are from the everyday Nike customer who just tagged Nike in their post to get featured. If you want to learn more about UGC marketing, give us a follow or give us a call to schedule a consultation. We're here to help.